Good morning, I'm Gareth Newby from Preston in Oakwood. Now, are you looking for a 4-bedroomed detached property close to Roundhay Primary, close to Roundhay Secondary School, close to Roundhay Park, close to all the amenities that Oakwood's got to offer? Well, if you are, and you've got around £425,000 to spend, why don't you come take a look at this property on Mayo Close? It's an absolute cracker. So why don't we take a look inside? As you can see from the outside, got a lovely driveway, double garage here. It's a great property. This street is great for kids and families. It's a cul-de-sac, it's nice and quiet. As you can hardly see, there's no cars around. There's plenty of families nearby. So let's go and take a look inside the property. Now we're inside the property. Now the feeling I get from this home is it really is a family home. It's really been well cared for by the owners who live here. They've got young kids. The kids go to the local schools. It's one of the main reasons that people move into this area. It's for the primary schools. Also the wealth of amenities that you've got nearby in Oakwood and up on Street Lane in Roundhay. Now you see we're in the lounge here. Now this is a fantastic family room. Leads through into a dining area. So plenty of family space here, which also leads out into the conservatory or playroom and then further on into the garden. Now to my left here we've got the kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen, nice and modern, lovely granite worktops, plenty of appliances, nice and bright. Got a really good feel in this property, really like it. So we are in one of the 4 bedrooms upstairs, and we're showing this one because it really is a good example of the other 4 bedrooms too. They're all very much of an equal size, and as you can see there's loads of space in here. Like I said, this family who own the property, they've got children, as you can see. Great room, great space, nice and bright, loads of light coming into the property from the front. Like I said, again, it's a really quiet street, so it's just silent, nice and peaceful. Beautiful family home. So I hope you've had a good look around the property. I've mentioned it before, it's a lovely family home. It's a great location. We're now in the garden. As you can see, again, family garden, lots of space. The views over the back, the park is literally just over there. So you can see the trees. It takes 5 minutes to walk to the park. Loads of space in here. Again, very versatile garden. We've got some lawn, we've got some kids swings. There's a patio area here that we can use for barbecues. And then there's another seating area just down here to my left where we can relax in the summer. Got friends around, loads of space for entertaining. Really nice garden, nice and private as well. So just over the back here you can see these trees, giving you a lot of privacy. To the right, nothing. To the left, nothing as well. Great garden. And as you see, plenty of sun. So let's have a little bit of a recap. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom detached property, centre of Oakwood, close to Roundhay Primary, close to Roundhay Park, then this is the property for you. You really want to come and have a look. Double garage, 4 bedrooms upstairs, open plan, living room, kitchen, beautiful garden at the back. Come and take a look. Give us a call at the office, we'd love to show you around. Take care.